So today we're replacing our stock air filter with the KN air filter, and this is for the Jeep Wrangler 4xe. Well, basically you have to take 4 screws off from the air box over here. So there are 4 screws, one here, here, and here. And after that, it's really easy. You just pop it up and take the filter out. You can see this is really thick. I always like to use KN air filters instead of just the standard filters. Just my preference. So this one looks pretty good. The size, it looks great, and I'll post the part numbers if anybody's interested. All right, thank you very much. Well, as you can see, it pops right in. It fits great. So I can't wait to test it out and see how the car performs. I mean, it's not gonna really be noticeable, to be honest, but it's just a personal preference.